Good evening. Hi. It is now Saturday, which you know what it means. Short stream time. So no dilly-dallying. You must defeat Maladia or put your tail between your feet. Alright, let's do it. I'm going to go make the drink and all that sort of stuff. I'm gonna go make the drink. That sounds like I'm about to go on the beers. No. Alright, let me give myself this much time. Alright, I'll be back. Da-na-na-na-na. I don't know what my headset is, actually. What's that? Going. Oh, hey, Rainbow Phoenix, how are you? Oh my god, why is Portal crashing? Oh, I know, it's because I'm debugging it. I like forgot, like Discord crashed on my computer, and I just like was like, all right, and then like random things were crashing as well outside Discord. I'm like, I'm just gonna walk away from my computer. But okay, that makes sense. All right, you can't close something if you're also got to open in a different file at the same time. That doesn't make any sense. Whatever. All right, gaming. I need to do that later. I like also had like a bunch of like math open, I just realized. Damn. Well, what I was doing shouldn't even be that hard, I just realized. You know, if you got a vector, you can convert that into picture on roll easy. Easy, right? I don't know what I got stuck on. I think what I got stuck on was the fact that I've been doing it for too long. Because I think when I like stepped away from it, I like worked it out like immediately. So, you know, sometimes fresh air is good. Hi, hey Lundy, what's up? I would love to turn on the camera right now, but the piano is not on. So give me 2 moments. Da, 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 da. Alright, how about now? No. MIDI devices cannot be found. Okay, hit OK. And then glove pie. And then do this, do that. And then that should work, apparently. What is this command prompt window that is open that I can't see? Okay, it's gone. I should just start making up stuff. Whoa, I'm the 1 millionth visitor on my own computer? What the heck? Best I could do is a moment and a half, and oh dear. Oh no, we got so much time. I'm a bullet player. That's like an eternity, isn't it? Hi, hey, what's up? How you doing? I don't really have much to talk about. I've been chilling. I got up like super early today for a Saturday, and then I was like, fuck yeah, I'm gonna like do programming. And then I did that, and then someone was like, yo, I need to finish Tunic, and I'm like, I got you. And then I got them. I gave them a hint, easy, because I knew exactly which puzzles I was stuck on in that game. And then I watched them. Whoa. That is really close to me. I watched them play that for like an hour and a half. By the way, this is me. That USB sound's mine. So that was cool. And then I like ranted about a programming bug I had for a little bit. And then I fixed it after my rant, so that was fucking sick. But the thing is, every single day I keep telling myself, that's it, no more programming. You are done for programming for now. Never fucking true. It's never true. It's a lie I keep telling myself every day. Because like this project, I'm just like, oh yeah, now it's good. Never gets there. But tomorrow, it'll be very close to good. It's because I keep having new ideas. I gotta stop scope creeping it, I think. But we'll see. So yeah, I'm eating mashed potato for breakfast. Very good. Much mash. Mashed potato is fucking awesome. Oh my god, is this programming stream? I just closed every fucking window. I should do a programming stream, shouldn't I? What do I want to program even? I was thinking of doing the VMF programming again on stream. But then the issue I had was I like opened it up and I spent like half an hour trying to like trawl through everything that I had. And I was like, I don't remember any of this. But I have learned a little bit more about trying to parse VMF files. I realize this means nothing to almost everyone. I don't know, I'm getting there, so... Oh, I saw this like very cool fucking pixel art shit today. Wait, I wanna... Oh, let me see if I can find it again. I think it's called... Yeah, it's this. Wait. Just talking about like programs and stuff like that. This is really, really cool. Look at this, right? So it basically, I swear I've seen something like this in a game engine before, like Unity or something like that. But essentially, you can take like an image and then apply masking to it in different ways and then apply like animations and effects to it. That's so like unbelievably fucking cool, because like I want to do this in like video editing, but then this is like a more like visual way to do that. And then I showed this on stream before. Let me see if I can find the actual. Wait, I think this one's a different one. Yeah, this one's a different one, but like you make this sort of stuff in it. And it's just like all the different type of like animation stuff, and then they just show you all the masks that you need for it. But I came across a GitHub repo of a 2-year-old version of this program. But I mean, you can buy this program on Steam as well for like $10, I'm pretty sure. And it does like all the same things now. It's more up to date. But yeah, I see the shit. I'm like, oh, I wanna get into like more graphics programming and shaders. Also, feels like overkill sometimes, but it's like crazy. Yeah. So this has been like what I've been into watching. Blur, Maximum, Vignette. And then that's that. But like the one that like got me started on this shit was like this. This was like the first one I saw. And it's the exact same stuff. It's like displacement scale, animation, skew, this, that. I understand none of it. That's fair. You don't need to. In a very, very simplified form, it is white pixels are 1, black pixels are 0. So when you combine them together, you just multiply them. So anything that's black is going to multiply to 0, so it erases it. Anything that's white will sort of keep it there. And then the grayscale in between changes the strength. So yeah, and then that way it kind of combines into like make all the holes and stuff like that. So Polar Noise, wait, Adamantite, are you going to make some noise? How have you been, by the way? Yeah. Do you prefer on mashed potatoes, butter, add or gravy? What do you prefer on mashed potatoes? How did I misread that so hard? What do I prefer on mashed potatoes? Gravy's pretty nice, mashed potatoes. Normally I just have straight up mash though, whenever I have it. I think straight up mash is like really, really good. But I don't have mashed potatoes that often. I had mashed potatoes once this year, and then before that, I think the last time I made mash was like maybe for a tuna bake. I was in chill mode, just was a couch potato. By couch I mean my awesome game. Dude, Discord crashed on me and I just walked away from my computer. I was like, fuck this. I don't know what my computer was doing. It like didn't even make me that mad. I was just like, I'm gonna do something else. Yeah. I watched the VOD and listened to what you had to say about finishing projects, and I feel like I can't really apply it to my situation. All my projects are kind of gigantic. I'm just doing stuff every now and then, and someday they'll be finished, I guess. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I mean, if you keep at it, like in the long term, you're gonna get it done. I think Donald Digo had a tweet about this, like the guy that works on a lot of the Trackmania stuff. But he was kind of like, I'm just like paraphrasing what I remember feeling about reading the tweet, but it was like, you kind of see all these big projects and you kind of think that they just went from like the start to the end, and they didn't have any troubles and everything was kind of like perfect, but it takes a while to get to something like really good. So also, hey Depic, what's up? Oh, but yeah, I get that with the programming thing as well, because like, oh shit, I'm gonna die now. Okay. By the way, is this loud? I think I asked this yesterday as well. I think it's only loud for me. So I'm gonna turn it down. But yeah, with programming, I guess there's only like so much you can lower the bar before the program isn't useful anymore with smaller projects. Like fuck, man, the project I'm working on right now is like it's a 3-minute video. And I was like, I guess I could make the video smaller, but it's like, it gets so small to the point where, I would reduce it to videos I've already made. Because I've like made speedrunning videos that are like 30 seconds, so doing something that's like smaller than that, it's like not, like I'm not learning anything from that. So, yeah. Speaking of potatoes, I'm planning to make myself some fries for lunch later. Oh shit. The first time making your own fries? See, we used to make homemade fries, but it's really just like boil potato, chuck it in the oven, like in segments with like oil. I didn't explain the ordering there, not first time. Alright. Remember when we cut down a Minecraft educational video? Reminds me of that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, okay. So that Minecraft video, I think about this like all the time, right? Because that Minecraft video was like 10 minutes long, right? And it's very easy to be like, okay, it's 10 minutes long because like YouTube algorithm, right? 10 minutes videos, you get to put 2 ads in it. That's what YouTube wants. But I'm pretty sure that video was uploaded during the time where you could just do 8-minute videos. So I kind of just like, I think they just made it 10 minutes because that's how long it took them to speak in the microphone. But that video, I can only imagine, was somewhat quick for them to make. But to edit it down would take like so much longer because I think I spent like a few extra, maybe like an extra hour or so doing it. So it's like, it's also, there's this like weird quality trade-off where it's like, for them, they're like completely happy with it being a longer video, but like if you wanted to make it shorter and script it properly, like it might add like an extra day or 2 onto it. That's basically where I got up to, where I was like, no. I wanna make like a really like good like 3 to 4 minute video where it's like all scripted out perfectly and all that. That's so much fucking delay to it. I'm like, no. I came across this in, what was it? In like sort of doing, is it just like public speaking or like speeches or whatever? Like imagine you're researching a topic and like you know everything about it. You can just talk about it in words that you understand, and it's really, really easy for you because like you know like all the jargon and all that sort of shit. But whoever's listening to you has to put in a lot of work to understand. Or you could put a lot of work into sort of explaining it in a way that everyone can understand, but like you got to choose the right words, and then you got to like give context for like the field and like all this sort of stuff, and then it's a lot of work for you, but it's no work for the listener. And so it turns out like this is like little like seesaw scale, which is just like you can do more work as a speaker to make it easier for the other person, or you can do no work and then make it more work for the other person. And I just like, I never know how to like fucking strike this line like when I'm teaching, where it's like, how many hours of prep do you put into an explanation before you go, nah, good enough? How many hours do you put into a video where you're like, ah, okay, that's close enough. Like, if they don't get it, so what? Doesn't matter, so... Yeah. Anyway, I'm just peepo talking about, like... this is just, like, a process thing for me, but I'm just like, damn. Now, but I'm actually pretty pleased with, progress on the video I made today, though. Because I didn't get anything into like the editor timeline, but I can see the second it like gets recorded, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have like close to like 30-40 seconds done. But because of all those animations I've been showing you, it gave me like more ideas, and I was like, oh no. I'm also talking about deep fry fries. I do sometimes use an air fryer instead, but it's not the same. Oh, I see. Yeah, see, deep frying, I've done it a few times, but I don't like it. It scares me. But it always does taste like way better. Because I've done that with like chicken before, like making like chicken schnitzel stuff. I don't understand why it's called deep frying. I always just assumed because you got like a deep vat of oil. Maybe not. By the way, so what did I do yesterday in this game? It's very simple, right? I was here all day yesterday, but oh no, I'm dead from that. I gotta watch out for that closer. Yeah, I was here all day yesterday, but I made it to phase 2 like 3 times. So I actually did learn stuff, which is sick. The reason I knew I was dead there straight away is because dodging that move is like really, really tough. So I also learned that I should just run the fuck away from that. So what I need to do, so I don't like mess that up again, is I need to like unlock my camera immediately, and then I like need to run the other way. So I'm gonna try and keep that in mind. So. Dun, dun. Oh. Oh, that actually hit me. I decided to be more aggressive there by rolling forwards, but I guess it just hits me, so. On an unrelated note, I improved Deltarune Chapter 2 20% time again earlier today. I got it down to 28:05. Damn, nice. So how much time did you save this time? Because I remember you said you saved a minute easy before. I'm trying to, cause I don't know anything about Deltarune speedruns. I'm wondering how much did that like lower the world record by, like the new speedrun strat. By the way, it's kind of strange for me to think that like if I do this fight, that's it. Like I'm just done with Elden Ring for a bit. It feels like so close, but. Okay, reset. Oh dear. Okay, I got super lucky there dodging that. Like I still got hit, but you know, it could have been worse. Oh my god, what am I doing? Fuck. I got really nervous. I don't know why. Is there a way to stun her more? Because that would be really effective on her. No, yeah, definitely. See, the thing is, as far as I can tell with the staggering, is every enemy or boss is like, I'm probably gonna get it wrong a bit, but the way I understand it, every enemy or boss has some sort of meter. If you hit them a bunch, you'll reduce it, and then once it gets to 0, then they kind of get stunned. But I assume it gets refilled when I'm not hitting them. I don't know to like what extent it does. But like if I'm delaying between hits, then like she's just not gonna get stunned. But like sometimes like I just have to wait for the gap. So there's probably a way to rush in a bit more and get more hits in. I'm actually surprised I didn't stagger on the last one. Also, I realized that like when I was like doing boss fights like earlier in this, I would go for like that stagger strat where I just like do a bunch of damage and then like then I could do like that final blow. But it would be better to just kind of like do a few chip hits first and then get to stagger range, because then that would be lower health quicker before like they go into like their sort of like harder second phase. I don't know if that makes any sense, because normally like once you stun them, you can't stun them again for a bit as well. So since their AI changes when they're like lower health, I think it's kind of like better to do it when they're almost close to dead. Anyway, I gotta get more consistent at like this first part. Yeah, there we go. Oh fuck, I missed. Oh dear. I never lock off. I don't know why. Because when I see it jump in the air there, like I know it's coming. I don't. I can only see it at the moment. I'm like not reacting. Oh yeah, cheers. Yeah, it's I need to get way more consistent at the first part. One thing that actually might help is just changing armor. To be honest, because I think I take way more physical than I should wearing this. But yeah, that's the thing, because I've done like phase 1 like a few times now. I'm getting a better idea of like where gaps are. Oh, don't do that. Really? Yeah, run. Okay, I kind of did it. Wasn't really smooth, but that's what I wanted. So. Oh no. Oh dear. Okay. Oh, what? What the fuck? I thought I had it for some reason. Okay, fair enough. That was just a like blunder on my behalf. Shouldn't like celebrate early. Okay, so then it's just phase 2 now. Oh fuck. Oh, shit. Okay. You gotta dodge roll the fucking thing. Yeah. So that's the 4th time I've gotten there. 2 of the times I've been hit by that and instantly died. So guess I just gotta watch out for that. The first time I got in there, I somehow dodged it and I was fine. And then the last attempt that I'm talking about, I got a bit of damage off, but I don't entirely remember what I died to. I think she was throwing shit at me. Yeah, it was like the butterflies were like attacking me, which sounds really wild, actually. Oh no. Okay, we get lucky. Come away. I could have punished her there, that's fine. Oh, I don't know why I get so nervous like when it's going on for a while. Oh fuck. I got like greedy there. Oh man. Okay, like it's good I got there. Like I'm getting like quicker now, which is nice. But I just don't have a lot of Estus left for this. I feel like that death was your fault. Why? Why would you feel that? You didn't do anything. Uh-oh. Ow. Reminds me of its second character. Reminds me of like Lily plus someone else. Like I can't work out who the other person is right now. Oh fuck. Fuck. No, that was such a bad time to heal. Yeah. Yeah, fair enough. I don't really know what the spacing is on that. Oh my god, heal bro, now I was out of heals. That was like I just had to go in. I had 0. What the fuck, yeah. That's what I'm saying, like, I got to phase 2 and I was happy I got to phase 2, but I don't really have many, like in the bottom I only get to heal 12 times and then that's it. I went into it with only 6. Ideally I'd get in there with more, so... because I think I got in there with 9 on the first one. Although I might be misremembering, so... Oh. Okay, well, that ain't it. What am I doing? I almost just want to reset this one. Yeah, just I like it. Like it's really bad if I like get killed in this first phase because like he heals, and then I gotta heal more. Like the lifesteal's like really strong there, so I'm just like lengthening out phase 1. And then I'm just making like phase 2 harder for myself by having like less heals, so... Yeah. Oh fuck, I just missed. I have no stamina. Oh no! Oh shit. Oh, I dodge rolled really badly there. Yeah. POV making food, alright, no worries. Oh dear. Oh, I almost got so lucky there. Ah, did I do the dishes yesterday? No, I just decided to like break all of them on the ground, and then I got like the dustpan broom and I like sweeped it under the what do you call it? It's like is it a futon or something? You know, like the leg warmers with like the sort of bench. That's what I did. Only reason I put it there is because no one's been using it recently. Well, that is technically doing the dishes. I don't understand it that way, unfortunately. Could you imagine if that's what people would just say like colloquially all the time? Yeah, I guess I technically did the dishes. So yeah, everything's okay. I've been absolved of all chores today. But now tomorrow I gotta like clean up. It's crazy. No, I'm doing alright. I'm just like vibing right now, so you cleaned the dishes up, alright. I think I've just smeared the mess. That is all I've done. Because if we're going off technicalities, I didn't clean anything. I just put the dirt somewhere else. It's the same when you clean the dishes. The dishes are now cleaned, but like somewhere else is now dirty. Watch out for the dish mafia. No! I'm gonna get suds. Oh dear. Oh no, run. I realize why I find this really awkward now. Because when I unlock, because I have my hand on B most of the time, and then when I unlock, I gotta do this, and then put my hand back on B, and I'm not used to doing that motion with my thumb for like anything. It's kind of whack. So I need to just practice going like I need to hit B, do this, and then like, yeah, it's a weird motion. So I don't think I can do it fast enough with like swapping to my left hand either. Ow. That's fine. Not sure if we'll join movie night in time. Got a situation at work. They're like 70% full, but not full enough to swap. So I got to work early today just in case. Oh, okay. Well, that's alright. I mean, yeah. Got to do what you got to do. Actually, I should vote for a movie. I didn't do that. Yeah, for some reason I thought it was like Friday again today. Oh fuck, I missed that. Normally I don't stagger that early. Hello, Minax. Hello, Razorlex. How's it going? Yeah, but that sounds that's an interesting like disruption to a routine as well. Because I imagine like obviously like things change like a little bit, but I guess like the garbage being like slightly off is, I don't know, that's interesting to me. Today is Friday too. That's the thing, like I had way more time to do things today, so like I should have clocked on to the fact I'm like, yeah, it's definitely not Friday today. Because like I'm not doing my normal routine, and then I got to the end of it and I'm like, oh fuck, it's Saturday. Oh, no wonder I got like so much done, but like, I don't know, I always feel like I can do more. I was pretty happy with what I did today. I just gotta like work out some like programming bugs and then we're chilling. Ooh. That's not gonna work. That's never gonna work. I got GitHub Copilot today and actually gave me the solution for a problem I had, which I couldn't find any help for online. That's crazy. What? So like, what were you doing in a loose sense? Were you using an API that just like wasn't well documented or something? That's pretty nice though. Yeah. Hey Tesla, what's up? Also, hey Wilka. Good old programming bugs. Yeah, it's I was talking to Uncrafted a little bit about it, but he said I might not be sober right now. And I was like, oh, this is great. And what he was telling me was like completely right. But I was just I don't know how to use SPT that well. I was learning how to do raycast today though, so that's cool. But the thing is I know exactly why my raycasting is wrong. I just need to like fix the angle, and then once I fix the angle, there's a little bit more that I want to do, which is annoying, but is what it is. Oh. Crazy, I dodged that. I had no business dodging that. It's so weird. Yeah. Been working this place for years now. Bins tend to be full in the evenings on work days and the most oft-used stores. Saturday is more chill. But 70% is likely going to be 100% full or overflowing much quicker. Oh, okay, wait. I realize because you're probably looking at it ahead and then predicting it for tomorrow and stuff. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, I feel like over full bins are also just like a pain in the ass as well, because then like you gotta deal with like cleaning it up. Where if you catch it like beforehand, it's like less work normally. Oh, why am I getting greedy there? I have no stamina. Normally I peek that. No! Oh, whatever. Oh, shit. could have just punished immediately there. Whatever. Okay, third time today. That was all of yesterday's stream condensed because I did it 3 times yesterday, and I did this within less than an hour today. So definitely learned. Oh, don't die with that again. Okay. Alright, we took a bit too much damage, but that's fine. Oh shit. No. I can't see. Calm down. Yeah, this is what I died to last time. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on there. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Damn. Figuring out CS Win32 right now, basically using native Win32 APIs in .NET wrappers. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, that is very outside of anything I know. Damn. What is CS Win2 though? It seems so interesting though. Huh. Counter-Strike way. I didn't read it that way at first, but that's because I watched a few Counter-Strike videos today as well, because apparently they had an update not too long ago. Oh, interesting. Damn. I should do more programming. That's how I feel every time I look at things that I don't know. Maybe dodge left, right, left, right. Maybe I think I need to stagger the dodge a little bit more because I was dodging way earlier before they were striking at me. So, yeah. Dun-dun-dun-dun. It's super cool actually. Just got to get used to native window interfaces. Oh dear. It seems like you can almost fucking build anything with that stuff though. Like from like the little glancing I was just having a look at it. So literally watching commentary right now about lawsuits on GitHub Copilot possibly violating open source licenses. I vaguely heard something about that as well. I mean, just like anything AI generated just has that inherently at the moment. So it like basically boils down to like a bunch of the training data they didn't own. But I did see one thing that was going on that like normally like research is exempt from laws like this. But the issue is that some of the research projects are like built and it's like, oh cool, we did this thing, and then it turns out it's actually useful and then like commercialized immediately. So it was like fine for like what they did, but then it was actually the release that was bad or whatever. So not GG, yeah. No, this fight's a bit misleading. Like that's why I'm like I'm glad when I get to the second phase, but I still gotta work out the second phase. Like, doing the first phase is, like, quite satisfying, but I need to get more consistent at it, so... Oh, really? Uh-oh. Oh no, I'm dead. It feels like I'm just like dying by like a little bit. Like she has like a further range on me than that. I almost just want to go like light roll. Starts whack. Oh no. I hate that move so much. No, but that's sick that you're getting used to our co-pilot though. Honestly, I should try some of that stuff more. Co-pilot is free if you have GitHub education. I might. It's messy with me. Because, like, I'm technically not a student anymore, but I actually still have stuff under the uni. So I might. I'll have to look. Okay, I hate that I, like, rolled into that oh no! Rolled into the last one, so should be able to get it as a teacher. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. But like technically it's I have to check because I'm not actually meant to have any of that access anymore. Like my student emails were meant to get deleted like years ago. But I still have it, so maybe it would work. Just had to send a picture of my student ID and confirm my uni email. That's the thing, I guess I do still have an yeah, see, I don't know. It's weird. Cause like I don't even have like a card anymore. I don't know, it's weird. I should probably go talk to someone about getting it sorted out. Player reply because had to walk my dog, but what record hasn't been improved. The new Discovery mostly just made optimal, near optimal strats much easier rather than much faster. Oh, that's still huge though. The new like 4th place time has been set with it though. Okay. Oh, that's sick. I didn't even know you had a dog. Oh, that's, yeah, that's cool. Next, can you actually have a dog? Can you have a dog, or is the dog a free spirit? I reckon the dog doesn't think he's owned. I do forget Leo's perspective sometimes of him just like seeing me as a big, large fella. And then I'm just like screaming in front of like a computer screen for a lot of the day. Why does he get to bark and not me? have no stamina. Oh, dude, that attack. It's whack. Leo probably thinks you're a weird dog. Why does he walk up with like 2 legs? I always reckon they probably find it weird that I change clothes day to day. Why does he keep shedding his fur and putting it back on? What is that about? But then like Leo also loves like some of my jumpers. And so if I like leave them in certain areas, he'll like curl in a ball like a cat and then like lay in them. He has a lot of cat-like tendencies actually. But I think he might just think that I'm always wearing a sock. Because he knows what my socks are, but I also think he thinks my gloves are socks. So maybe my jumper is just a big sock as well. But then I don't know what he thinks socks are. And I haven't been bothered to ask him. So... oh dear. Fuck. Gloves are not socks? Yeah, they're hand socks. Yeah, that's what Tesla said. Hand socks. So... Or maybe I have it backwards. Maybe he thinks everything are gloves. Because when he was a pup, like one of like the first toys I like gave him were just my gloves. I was just like, bite this, and like I'd put it on my hands, and he would just like bite my hand, sort of thing. But that's kind of bad. But because I did that at like a really young age, I did actually like teach him how to play without being like too rough. And then he can actually like grab the glove off my hand without like biting me, which is kind of neat. But then he does that with my socks as well. So maybe he just thinks my socks are hand gloves. No, feet gloves. So the German word for glove is literally hand shoe. There you go. Oh no, I like missed out on that. Normally I don't stagger her that often. Are you saying your gloves aren't socks? They could be. None of these problems for the lawsuit would have happened if copyright laws was made with an objective quantification of similarity of works. How would you do that for like music? But not only there's the issue of quantifying such things in creative works. Yeah, I guess that's the issue. But I also don't think copyright laws was ever made with the intention of actually protecting works rather than restricting works from existing. It's messy. I have heard the take that it's meant to be more protective for the little guy, which is good when it works for you, but I mean, big corporations are the ones that benefit from it the most, right? Okay, I guess I'm not taking advantage of that. But yeah, I know this is like an interest of yours, though, Will, because if I remember correctly, I think you were talking about this sort of stuff during the Neon White streams as well, when it came to like Disney and stuff. Maybe that was you? Oh. It's been a while, so... Oh no. Oh, we get there? Why did I do like these circles? That doesn't achieve anything. Apparently I just need to celebrate that. Okay, lovely. Oh. Oh, Nintendo, yeah, sure. Alright, so 4th time today. I can't see. Can I run into that now? No, you can't. Okay, well. Have to learn somehow, right? Oh, fuck. I knew she was grabbing it. I hit B. It's so stupid. I literally saw it. I pressed B, but I didn't let go of it. No. Gloves are shoes because they're the outermost layer. Sure, but like, how do you feel about these shoes here? Like, because like my little like hand toes are coming out, so it's not really a shoe, is it? Because there's all these holes here. Like, it's either like what are shoes that have holes in it? I'm only thinking of like thongs. Wearing flip-flops, yeah, okay, like flip-flops. Yeah, he's wearing what now? Or are they like Crocs, hand sandals? Yeah. Interesting. But then, like, you would think, like, a shirt is like a shoe then. Right? Or is that because it can't be because it has, like, 2 holes? But then in that case, like, this could just be, like, my head sticking out of, like, the sandal part, so... It's a torso shoe, yeah. Could be wearing some cotton gloves and then put something like motorcycle gloves over them. Yeah, this is a lot like wearing shoes and then putting mud boots over it. Crazy. Hey Quasi, what's up? His shirt isn't on an extremity. It's kind of crazy that, like, if you think that, like, gloves are shoes, right? Typically you don't do, like, handshakes with shoes, but you can with gloves. You can shake someone's hand with glove on. So now you're doing some sort of, like, shoe handshake. But, like, typically you wouldn't think shoes can, like, interlock with each other, so... Did you get Curse of Monkey Island? I did not. I had $100 spending limit. And I had $500 of choices, and I did not pick it up. It was very close. I almost picked it up, but I did not. I also was thinking I could probably just get like the originals instead of buying it on Steam, and it might just work out cheaper. I think that was the ultimate reason why I ended up dropping it. But maybe that's a naive assumption, because some of those like old like point-and-click adventure games are based on CPU cycles, and since like modern day CPUs are just like fucking light years faster than the old ones, you actually have to limit them for them to work. I don't think any of the Monkey Island games are like that though. Oh, I'm gonna die here because I wasn't paying attention. The originals won't run, yeah, you gotta use the ones with the Scum VM. Yeah, so Scum VM was what I was thinking of, actually, because that's what the people that I watch play point-and-click adventure games, they use Scum VM. Because that's, like, some of those old games you can't even pause, but you can pause Scum VM and then that works. So Scum VM works well, yeah, so I might check that out. That's kind of what I was thinking, but maybe I should have got it for convenience. But like that was the thing. I didn't want to go over the $100 spending limit, and I fucking did. I think I went over it by about 10 or something, 10 or 20. There's so much shit that was on sale that like seemed like quite decent. So. But then, like, I was also thinking about it because, like I want to play Professor Layton's soon, and then there was like another Amanita game. Is that how you say it? It's the one that made fuck, because they're made up words. I don't know how to say it. It's a botany game. Botany. I have no idea how to say it. I know what the game is. It's yeah, that one. Yeah. I was gonna pick up that plus like Curse of Monkey Island. And then I was thinking, I'm like, oh wow, this is a lot of like point and click adventure games scanning in a row. And I was just thinking, I'm like, I probably wouldn't play them all back to back. So I was trying to be realistic about like trying to like spread it out a bit. So yeah, I should probably look into ScumbM. So it's Pog. It seems good. Yeah. Have I tried PC Emu? No, I haven't heard of this. So. Oh, I have no stamina. Okay, I got it. Emulates old hardware. Oh, that's cool. Amanita muscaria. Muscaria? I don't know this game. Huh. But yeah, a lot of their games seem very, very interesting. I've browsed through a few of them. Headphones are vibrating head shoe, considering a noise muffling headphone is a head shoe. Yeah, I'm not wearing earmuffs. I'm not like wearing like the I used to have one of those hats. What are the hats that they have in like cold places where you kind of got like you pull it over and it's got the earmuff stuff? It's kind of fucked up that the first place I saw that hat was in TF2. And it was like a heavy hat. But yeah, I guess that's a head shoe, huh? Could also use DOSBox, yeah. I've had a few friends that use DOSBox before. I'll look into it. I wonder how many like hat nerds came out of like TF2. Because like growing up, there's like no reason to know like anything about hats. But then like the second TF2 was like, hey, here's some custom skins with like all of these fancy hats. It's like, oh, interesting. Oh, cool. If you count the head as your primary body part, then the body is definitely an extremity. Yeah, well, it has my heart in it as well, so check DM, alright, yeah, sure. Alright, reset. No, I don't like how this fight's going. I've like already like fucked it up. Silly! No! Super good segue incoming, by the way. Think so? About the head comment? Alright, thank you, Quasi. Yeah, I'll do that later. Oh, that's too kind. I guess that solves that problem, huh? Millennium Month? No! It is not Millennium Mummy Month. No! It is not Madness Millennium Mummy Month. This is not what we're doing. Can you guess what it is? I have an inkling. I like redeem it. And it's just These Nuts again. By the way, Lara bought me These Nuts Steam game. I have not looked at it still. And it's just every now and then when I open up Steam, I see it and I'm just like, what the fuck is this? I feel like I'm getting pranked every time I open up Steam now, and I haven't even checked what the game is. I don't know if it's like Sokoban, I don't know if it's a shitty platformer. I don't know if it's just an image-based game. I don't know if it's like Sudoku. I'm gonna die again. Crazy that I called that. Speaking of thinking about things, hope you were thinking about all the new Discord scams. I saw this on Twitter briefly, and I was just like, again? And then I didn't actually read the details of it. And then I saw what you posted in Discord, and I'm like, oh, yeah, I know about Discord scams, and then I didn't read about it. So, yeah, I'm very susceptible to scamage right now. So, please send me links. I'll be clicking on all of them. I will definitely install things. That is good as well. I'll give you my security codes and also my phone number. This is what I'll be doing. Yeah, I should probably read up on it. Didn't finish writing my rat yet? What's your rat? Oh shit. That's so I'm too close. These nuts stream, it depends what the game is. Depends what the game is. If it's Sokoban, like yeah, I'll do like 5 streams of it. Remote access Trojan. Oh. Oh. It's crazy, like, it actually turns out all my gaming problems is because I'm actually playing on someone else's PC. That's actually how I play all my games. I actually buy 0 games. It's always just been someone else's account, like, traditionally. I don't think it has more than 5 minutes of gameplay, if it even does. Craziest loophole in, like, Steam games. Just make it a jigsaw puzzle game with the solve button, and then it shows you an image. Peak gaming. But this game will just be like a squirrel. And then it has one audio file that just keeps playing these nuts. And it's like, how does this qualify as a game? And it's like, you can hit the button to solve it. And it's like, oh, media interactivity. Oh, it's fucking sick. I was gone for a while. How's progress? Getting there. I've gone to phase 2 4 times today. But now it's slowed down. So, okay, I'm curious. What's up with the Discord thing? Let me read up on it, because while everyone's reading about the Discord hijacking thing from today, I was posting this instead. And I'm just like, what is this guy doing? And then in my forever great wisdom, of course I see it's this, but now this just gives me more questions than answers, because like I can see that's flat, and I'm like, oh, this isn't like on the side of like a building or something, is it? It's probably just like the ground. But I rotated the image, and that confuses me as well. Like, look at this. Look, so then we do one of these, right? But like, this still makes no sense to me. What is the guy doing? Anyway, it frustrates me to no end that Twitter showed me that. I don't even smoke. How does it know? All right, where'd you post this? Lots of people falling for Discord scam lately. If you receive a message from a friend claiming to have a gift card for you, don't click it. This is the same as people saying, hey, I've been working on a game recently. Can you try it? This is a session hijack. I probably could have guessed that. That gets access to your OAuth token for that login. Really? How does that work? I'll probably have to wait a week until like some of the reverse engineering channels on YouTube make like a write-up about it. The attack then escalates and locks you out of the account. The reason this attack works is because attackers can change the visuals of a link using Discord marketing. Yeah, that was the worst fucking change that they made. Like, why'd they do that? They changed this like a month ago or something like that. Because that's just the markdown thing that you can do, where you could do like, it's like you do the link square brackets and then sort of curly brackets or some shit like that. And they've had that disabled for ages, entirely for the reason that like people can just change links. Yeah, that is so dumb. Yeah. You can make the link look like it's a legitimate website. Yeah, sure. Always mouse over the links. This is just like any email advice now. Report it, let your friends know. How have they not reverted this? This is so silly. Okay. Alright. Heads up, a new scam is making the rounds. Stim text is apparently now a vanilla thing people can do by something a message. It supports emojis, which is how this effect was created. Don't fall for this trick. The blue dismiss message is faked and will link to a phishing scam. Oh. What the fuck? Okay, I didn't actually know that. So that's just a link. Wait, why can they... Is that just an embedded image? Like, how do they change the color of this? I guess that is just the, that's just the normal text. This is an image, and then that is the link, I guess. Yeah, it's old text. Wait, how come you can change the color of the message? Since when can you do that? Because, like, I know you can do that if you have, like, a bot account. I knew that, but I didn't know you could do that on your own. Alright, sure. Interesting. So, read the above thing. Oh, it can be done with... Oh, I didn't read that properly. Oh, okay. I just wasn't aware of that. Yeah. No, because when I read it, I got rid of the hyphen in my mind. I was just like, no, that makes a header, which is like way larger. That's not... That wouldn't do that. Yeah, no, that's fair. I just tried it as well. So... What the fuck? Visual Studio almost codes by itself now. It's very strange, isn't it? Can't remember what I was writing in. But I had a similar thing where I was just typing a bunch of shit and then it fucking blocked paragraphed. And I was like, oh. I'm like, that's kind of what I need. Oh, it was when I was doing some C# stuff. For Sony Vegas API, and it was just like auto-filling shit, and I was like, oh yeah, that is what I need. But then I kept fucking accidentally writing over it, and then I wanted the prompt to appear again because I wasn't like tab completing it. So yeah. But I think I must have been using some sort of trial or something. I don't fucking know. I didn't even know like why I was enabled. So, or maybe my student account was still linked, but like recently it's been telling me not to relink it because it expired or some shit. I don't know. I don't use Visual Studio enough. Is it a bit heavier any different when you don't auto-target? That's a good question. I have no idea. Oh, really? Does it a little bit now without Copilot, but I feel like it just got a lot better now with Copilot. Oh, really? Okay. Well, that's very interesting. I'll have to look into getting that set up then. It's kind of mad. Even like ChatGPT 4.0 or whatever, there was like one instance where I drew like an image of some math formula I needed. For like code. I was doing Bezier curve shit, I believe. I was kind of surprised at how quickly it was able to like interpret shit. So, yeah. Gotta go work now. BOB for the movie. Hopefully, good luck with Malay. Ah, cheers. Yeah. Good luck. Good luck with work. I mean, it's just a simple tea stuff like hooking things up, but this just makes it so much faster. Oh, yeah, totally. Yeah. Yeah. That's like the main use case I use for a lot of AI. It's just like the boilerplate sort of initial setup. That's what I love using it for, at least. Like even in Python, it's just like, oh, I gotta do something real quick with like matplotlib, and then it's just like, oh, I can just ask it to graph it all for me. I'm like, here's the data, just like give me the stuff. So, like I know how to write it anyway, but like it does it faster, and it's like so temporary, I don't need it. But yeah, that's actually really cool to hear. Like I remember one of my co-workers last year was using it a bunch. Because he was doing like meta templating stuff all the time. I have like no health. What the fuck am I doing? Oh fuck. Okay, I might. I think I've just been looking at her for like an hour straight without like thinking. Well, not without thinking. I've only been thinking, but like now I'm not thinking. I've got to like reset myself real quick. Ah. Okay. Should still give the pop-up though. Yeah, because when you click links, doesn't it say like this is going to like an external website? I don't know how many people turn that off though. Porn break. Yeah, I'm gonna show you animation. Sorry, I realize, you know that Redditism of just like, oh, this is food porn, and then it's like really, really, really good looking food. I was about to say I'm going to show you animation porn, but then I realized that it just sounds incorrect in the first place. But like, again, I just, there's some really, really good pixel art animation. That's what I was thinking about. I was like, wow, look, like, again, look how cool this is. We should just like watch like all versions of this. Like, whoa, isn't that neat? But like, this is like really fucking neat. I actually want to do this frame by frame. Like the fact that this is also just like a simple wipe mask as well. Like the way they've, like, can you imagine like making this tutorial is the process of also making it, but it's actually kind of harder to do because this like checkered pattern in the background, they've like put as a layer like in the editor, and then they've like composited everything, and then they're like stripping it back to like do all this. But then that like one transition, like I know if you do that in like more modern day software, like it probably just has the swipe thing, but you could totally do that with the mask as well. So yeah, well, that's so, oh, I know. All right, quick, let's browse Twitter. Oh, this is dangerous. Oh, quick, give me that animation. Actually, this is dangerous. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Easy. Oh, look at all these animations. Whoa. I actually have no idea how they do this Among Us one though. I actually don't know how I would ever make that, because this doesn't feel like simple masking. I feel like you can do it with an expression, maybe, but I don't know how you do that. Like if I was to video edit this would be a pain in the fucking ass, because I would have to like manually move everything, and I don't want to do that. Maybe there's a way to like programmatically do this that's like really nice. Yeah. Anyway. I'd save a new PNG every time. Oh yeah, well, because like as I was looking at it, I was like, yeah, a cut happens and then it shifts it, and then a cut happens and then it shifts everything else. And I was like, how the fuck would I group all that? That is probably a way you could do it. Well, fuck, that makes it a little easier then, doesn't it? Because I like using processing. Processing's sort of like a Java-based sort of graphics language. And you can import images in that. So I guess you would import an image and then slice it in half at like whatever like angle. But yeah, you slice it in half. Well, actually, you could always just slice it vertically. And then you just rotate the image and you slice it vertically again. But anyway, you slice it vertically, export it, re-import it, and then slice it again. Yeah, I guess that would work, yeah. And then it's just actually putting the little animation above it, huh? Yeah, it looks like it can be done with SVG transitions. I haven't done too much with SVG. I made my own fucking rendering system in SVG once. Oh god, that was so whack. It was fun to make, but then at the end of the day, I just realized I made processing like a primitive version of it, so... Can an early attack interrupt the spin attack? I don't think so. Yeah. By the way, JavaScript is still pretty dangerous. As far as I know, the exploit's still on patch. The sandbox is scared with JS. I've seen some videos on stuff like that. Because I don't do too much web development, I only understand a kind of basic level. But yeah, it's kind of weird. Like, I've seen the ones where they, like, emulate, like, the scrolling as well. So, like, you think you're on the website, but, like, you're not. I don't know how to explain it properly. Uh-oh. Alright, I got this. I'm just gonna lock in again. That's what I was doing earlier. I was only focusing on the game. I'm gonna try and do that. Log in. Guys, I'm gonna log in. Don't look at my password. I'm really curious how SVG transformations do that now. Huh. Joke thief. Finally, I'm glad someone's calling people out for stealing jokes. Turns out doing that does not dodge. Anyway, I'm heading to Street Art Festival, Pog. Oh! Sick Quasi! Yeah, take a photo. I'd love to see what some of it looks like. Anyway, have fun. Take care. Yeah, see ya! Joke 91? Yeah, sure. Sure, we'll do a quick Joke 91. What's a pelican's favorite dish? Anything that fits the bill. That's, yeah, you know what? I actually like that. That's an A+ pun for me. Yeah, oh shit. I'm shocked I haven't heard that one before. Yeah. I saw Gudigo's older brother at a festival yesterday. Gudigo has a brother? I didn't even know this. Or is it just a spitting image of him? I have two brothers there. I didn't even know this. When's the Gudigo trio speedrun meetup? See, the thing is like, people always assume that, like, if you have, like, siblings or, like, people that are, like, related, that they're also interested in the same things as you, but I assume that none of your brothers speedrun. So, one's a doctor and one's an actor. Oh my god. That's quite a range, actually. No! Oh. Oh, fuck you. Oh, that guy just looked like me. Wait, did you post this somewhere, Azalex? He's supposed to sprint away from when she does waterfowl? How does that work? There's a few ways you can dodge it. The way I'm trying to do it is just run away from it. Send it to good to go. Oh, that's mad. Okay, I see. I thought I was being blind, so... Yeah, I was having a lot of internet issues the other day as well, Gringine, like off stream. Like there was just like some shit I like just couldn't, oh jeez. That like I couldn't load, like at all. Like I'd already be on a website and then I'll try and, like for example I was on YouTube and then I'll try to like load a different YouTube video that someone sent me and there was like DNS issues. And I was like, anyone want their name tagged up on the photo? Oh, sorry, I missed it. Yeah, I mean, if you want. Bit of fun. Oh. Dude, what am I doing? What am I doing? Alright, I got this actually. Alright, I reckon I got this. Oh, okay. Oh, it's so hard. You got this? Yeah. It's probably a good day to do this as well, considering, like, it's not much shit talking I want to do anyway, so... Like, first out was, like, I actually felt, like, pretty comfy. I was just like, oh, I'm actually just playing. So, no shit talking? I don't know. I kind of got lost in the sauce for the first hour, and I realized I was like, oh, I'm not saying anything. You say, you say shit talking, you say crap talking. Sorry, I've got people eat during the stream. Now, you know what I had today? Like, I was in, like, public calls, and then at some point someone asked me a question, and I was just like, what the fuck is happening? And I was like, wait, are you talking to me? And they're like, yeah, you're the only one that, like, this is even relevant to. And I was like, oh. And then I answered it, and then they asked me another question. I'm like, wait, you still talking to me? And they're like, yeah. I'm like, sorry, I was treating this call as, like, a podcast. And they're like, huh? And I'm like, I don't know. Like, I didn't even realize I was here, so you like profoundly shocked me when you started interacting with me. It's like, dude, you're in Discord. I'm like, I don't know. I was just doing my work. I was vibing. I almost have the same reaction now, where I was just playing for a bit. I was like, oh, that's nice. I'm like, yeah, I got to like phase 2. Like really early today. Nice. And then I look over, I'm like, oh shit, people are here. What the fuck? I've actually thought about doing that before, by the way. Like having a script that just turns stream on at a random time during the day. And then I just like don't know. And part of that like terrifies me, but then at the same time I'm like, I like never open up like my bank details, you know? Like it's not gonna be like, oh yes, let's browse the stock exchange real quick. I'm going to expose all my login details and everything sensitive. But it does make me wonder how many people have actually like tried doing that. Just like random duration streams. Yeah, I have no stamina, of course. Hello, I would like stamina, please. That's the one attack that like keeps hitting me now. Oh dear. I'm expecting waterfowl any moment now. Yeah. Yeah, you are Melania, aren't you? Oh no! No! Oh, that's the quickest I've like been killed in a while. That's it. Ah, time to get serious. Does the saying game the name of waterfowl? How do people know the name of it? Yeah, what the fuck? How do people know the name of it? You get a weapon, and then her rage art is Waterfowl. Maybe that's it. I don't know, it's like everything else, right? Like, if it doesn't have a name, people just, like, make up a name for it. I read something in the Portal Discord today about that. They're like, hey, this trick, insert name here, do you guys call that on cap? And then I was like, I don't even know what you're referencing. Like, what is this name for the trick in, like, whatever other game it is? Like, I couldn't even be like, yes or no, but it's like, maybe? Oh, shit. You can get a weapon which has a move as a skill in it. Ah, easy. Easy prediction. Yeah, because sometimes, like, I noticed that with the other bosses I did. Oh, shit. Wait, so you can use that move against other bosses? That feels like it would be really strong. The school version's a bit nerfed and shorter. Oh, okay, sure. I used Waterfowl against Melania. Let's see how she likes it. Turns out it's not that good. Oh, I remember, I just remembered something. So I watched a video today on guy faking spliced Elden Ring no-hit run for the DLC. And the video was not that interesting to me, unfortunately. Just because the whole premise of the video is that they spliced, and you can tell by the audio. And you can also tell because they're not doing consistent strats, and that's it. And the reason that's not interesting to me is because, like, I could have guessed that without watching the video. Like, it wasn't like, I mean, there's a little breakdown in it, but like, you know, I've just been in the community enough where it's just like, yeah, I've heard that story before. But there was one section in the video where they said, like, yeah, people have called them out for, like, splicing and all this sort of stuff, but, like, one thing I haven't seen them talk about is that he's actually been splicing all their other runs on their channel. Because, like, I looked at one of these other ones, and they did, a Deathless run, and no one realizes that's spliced, so if they've done it for these two videos, how many of them are spliced? And instead of me being like, oh, yeah, I wonder how many of those are spliced, I'm just like, wait, I have spliced runs on my channel, but like I call them segmented. I just wonder if someone's gonna like make like an expose on my channel one day being like, this guy didn't say that all of his runs were like spliced and segmented. But like the thing is I never pretended that they were like speed runs or like full game runs. But I just realized that, like, someone's just gonna stumble upon the channel one day and be like, look, this guy, like, spliced here in his, fucking least steps run. And I'll be like, yeah, I did. I've been talking about this for years. And I'm starting to think, I'm like, do I need to, like, go through the descriptions and, like, write? Being like, by the way, this is segmented. In case you need to know. I thought it was obvious. I'm gonna make that video. I mean, free reign. Like, when I was watching this guy's video, being like, oh yeah, I could see that. I just realized, it's like, wait, someone can make this video on me. So, with the Sunny V2 then. How did the Sunny V2 video start again? IMNX is a channel with 3,000 subscribers, but over the past few years, he has been losing... Oh, Sunny V2 has an interesting speech pattern. Whenever he finishes a word that ends in, like, what is it? No. Yeah, he goes subscribers, and he really elongates the R every single time. And it's so strange to me because it's the same accent as me, but then I don't do that tone for like words ending in R. So it's like I don't know where he picked it up from. But like whenever I hear him speak like that, I'm just like, why are you doing this? Yeah, tone. Yeah. Subscribers.
Hymenex had 3,000 subscribers, but over the coming years, he has been losing them. Why is that? Perhaps it has to do with his Splice speedruns. But the thing is like, I have speedruns on my channel that are also, they're not spliced. Like, I have the demos for them. I can give you the demo and it's like one clean run. But if you look at it with an audio, like spectrogram shit, you'll see that it's cut as well. It depends. It depends, but then it would be desynced. But the reason it's desynced as well is because I was trying to cut out all the gross frames in demos. Like whenever you transition through a portal, because it has like really bad interp, and I didn't like how it looked back in the day. And that's how like a bunch of people used to edit their videos. But yeah, I'm just realizing it's like, there's so much shit on my channel that like people could just like call out, and then I'd be like, but it's real. I kind of hope that like someone that doesn't know who I am makes one of these videos, and then I can make like a counter cheating video. Addressing all of the allegations. So it turns out I didn't cheat. Kinda. I almost perfectly dodged that. I'm gonna grab a screenshot on Discord of someone calling you out for smoking with no context. Yeah. Hymenex is a piece of shit. He said if he went to an airport, he would blow you, but not really, but maybe. By the way, he smokes. Did you hear he goes on porn breaks just during his BRB? Like, you're just trying to, like, smear campaign me, painting, like, a false narrative. By the way, he wants people to do mathematics in his basement. It's like, I don't have a basement. Do not blow things at an airport. Yeah, there are a lot of things that I've said that like you can take out of context. And it's just like, it's all just like, huh? It's like nothing bad, but it's always, what? Why would he say that? I bet you were doping, smoking cigarettes, strewing around. Nah, I was on the podcast goon hole. Okay, I realized I actually gotta put this half back on. If you didn't splice segments, then people would think you're not good at Portal. Wait, what's this?
Also, you want to keep the radio?
I forgot about this.
Because we'll SPD
What
with
am I
that.
doing here?
Yeah.
What just happened?
Oh, nothing. It just reminds me of how I used to fucking do segments, but no one ever watched me do segments. So everyone thinks I'm really good at this game, but I'm not.
Shit! Damn it! Why would I say that out loud? No! Oh, shit. Fuck. That was so true back then, though. No, because I had this thing where like people would be like, "Wow, you're a god at this game," and I'm just like, "No, I just spent like 12 hours doing like a 30-second run." Like if you were to ask me to do that again, like it would still take me like another 12 hours before I get like a good run. Yeah. Oh no. I improved a lot since then, but also kind of not really. It's like really hit and miss. Is it not true now? Yeah. Oh shit. I guess so. I forgot. Fuck, maybe I've always just been shit at games. You do segmenting to give off the illusion that you're good. I mean, none of this will make the YouTube edit anyway, because, like, think about it. If you do a YouTube edit of this, I'll just walk in there, and then I'll die a few times in the edit. to show that's hard, and then I'll just show the attempt I got it. Right? And then it looks like I'm like mad at games, so no one knows who he is. Yeah, there was no face cam there anyway, like... You know, one thing watching that video back for me that was like striking to me was how much I said fucking when I don't think it was appropriate. Like there was no reason to show that emotion. Oh yeah, I used to fucking do this. Maybe I still do that, but it reminds me of the time where I used to swear nearly every sentence. And that was a habit that took me a while to get rid of. But I do wonder to what extent I still do that. Be swearing like that all the time. No, you don't. You didn't even do it then. Like, if you were to do it then, you'd be like, oh yeah, I'd be like fucking swearing like all the fucking time. Because like, you didn't do that, so... Oh man, I kind of want to do that video, but I have zero talent. Yeah, my only talent is video editing and not releasing videos. So... I flippin' do, dude. Why'd you say do? That's gross. When? I keep saying I'm gonna get the video out next week, and then it just like doesn't happen. When is VODs? Oh, that's true. That requires zero editing. That's why I haven't done it. Do you want to edit your own rant? Which rant? What about me cheating? I did want to do this, but then I found out that Carl Jobs did this, and I'm like, damn. So I have no desire to do it yet. Because the joke's already been made. I mean, people can make jokes and videos and stuff of the same idea, but so not the thing I'm focusing on right now. Yeah, I do find it funny. Like, it's been an idea I've had written down for a while of like exposing myself for cheating. But it's kind of a... Like, you would click on the video and you would clearly just see it's not like a real video. You would probably click off, so... That's actually kind of what happened on the Gravity Over Goo video. So the last video that was uploaded on like my main channel, weirdly enough, it has like a really good retention curve until I start gaslighting. And the second I'm like gaslighting people in the video, I'm like, oh yeah, no, like I found a new strat. That's like when everyone clicks up, and I'm like, oh. That's interesting, the transition period there of like people being like, oh, this is meant to be comedic, fuck this. Worst I'm an X video. Wait, really? What? There's no way that is the worst I'm an X video. I'm trying to think what the worst I'm an X video would be. See, in my opinion, it's fucking Secret Room. Not as good as 15 Secret Orbit. Ah, damn. Wow, I can't believe I forgot I said that. People think I'm really good at this game, but I'm not. Wow. What year was that? 2014? Probably? I mean, I could just check, can't I?
Also, you want to keep the radio?
It's 2016. Oh, no. Can't easily find my SVG animation. I only got a boring JavaScript one. I've made a JavaScript animation before, actually, with SVG. It's not letting me open this up. I don't know why. It's saying that it's stealing credit cards, apparently. Personally, I'm a big fan of my cubes. That's like an old Twitch clip. Is that when I'm in the elevator and all the cubes start bouncing and then they go through the floor? I I forgot about those streaming days, like, completely. Like, I was searching for other videos, and I came across those, and I was like, oh, when did I even do these? So, yeah. You due for another rewatch of the anti-ramble? It's okay. I actually went back and watched it back myself, because you say you watch it every now and then, and I was like, I wonder what's compelling in it. And I watched it back, and literally some of the parts I'm like, okay, dude, you're over-explaining. Like, I get it. Like, even I'm just like, yep, that is obscenely too much detail. And it's not like, this is just me criticizing myself now, but there was like one part where I'm like, yeah, you've said everything that needs to be said, just like move on. You're just rehashing yourself now. But I mean, at least it was done. Because I sat there for like an hour, or like an hour and a half, and then I got let done, and I was like, great, now it's there, so. Otherwise that like video probably wouldn't have like been made at all, so. At least I went back through and time-stamped it though, I'm like, oh yeah, these are probably the most important parts. It's not, shouldn't internet is broken, like I said, I see. I need to get patience back again. Alright. First hour was good. This hour I've kind of fallen off a little bit, but that's okay. I don't remember attacking this much. Alright, fair enough. Da 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 da. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. We survive those? Okay, lovely. Oh, I thought I rolled. We'd blunder. Oh, really? Okay. Alright, 5th time today. Fuck. Oh. I didn't get a break there. Fuck. Damn. Damn. Yeah. I'm next. Do I buy all that for movie night? I don't know what either of these are. Alright, I have the power of Google, don't I? What? I felt like I got closer there. That was kind of exciting for me. The first one looks like a bread. Oh, no. I'm not looking at that image properly, am I? Okay, so that's what the first one looks like. These are just different types of sandwiches. And then the other one looks like this. Both these pictures suck. doesn't give me enough info. Is that chicken though? Bro, no, your images just suck. Yeah, like what the fuck am I getting here? Like what is this? This tells me like nothing. Cause like part of me just wants to be like, nah. Not those ones. Okay, what about this one? Like what is this? I don't know what that is. And then that's a schnitzel? But then like this just looks like the same. I can't answer this question in good conscience. So, yeah. It's a specialty food found in south of Germany, in Austria and parts of Switzerland. Alright, so it's a food. But like, what is it? I don't know what it is. Fuck, this is in German. why is Wikipedia in German? No, give me English. The etymology of the word is not entirely clear. The term is made up of the nouns leber, case. I don't know. In Barbarian, an edible mass is called a cas. Compare quince cheese. This is telling me nothing. We're learning etymology. It's a meatloaf, a sausage meat mixture generally used. It's also used in a meat sausage. Yeah, that's good. Almost too good. I'm very curious to try out German food one day. So, Flesh cheese. Ah, interesting. I can't, like, there's nothing in my mind I can compare this to. It's uncomparable. I guess I would just have to try it one day. It's ground up meat, basically. Number 1 is with cheese. Number 2 is spicy. Oh, I'd go spicy any day. But that's me. I just like spicy food. So... Oh, fuck. Really? That's so early for that. Ow. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, wait, no? Oh well. Yikes, I'm being careless here. Kind of cost me a bit there. Whoops. Fuck, man.
By the scarlet rot.
Alright, well, 6th time. Oh, okay. Thing is like, I knew I was on half HP, but the second she jumped in the air, I was like, oh, that's kind of... Because normally I at least get hit once and then like half the health is gone, so... Oops.
Blade of Mikolov.
Yeah, I shouldn't have gambled on the jump attack, I guess. Really? That hit me. Da 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 da. It feels like it's just a matter of time before, like, I fully understand the first phase. I feel like I am trying to rush it a bit too much. I think I'm gonna take a nap before I have to leave again tomorrow. See you tomorrow. All right, take care, Razor Legs. What am I doing? 13 minutes left to vote. I have not voted. I should probably vote, eh? I'll do a quick look. Do do do. Oh, some of these movies seem really interesting. I voted. Okay, now I'm just reading on stream. Okay. All right, thank you, Stalking. Stalking just DM'd me and said, I can't type, so you're gonna go bald soon. Lol. And I was like, thank you. You happen to do this at the exact time that I am looking at Discord, so good one. Yeah. Hope your Saturday's chill. What happened to your other accounts, by the way? Tron Legacy. I've heard of Tron Legacy. Wait, I might have seen Tron. Wait, I think I might have actually seen this already. Huh. Have I spent more than 13 minutes reading this? No way. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna vote. Okay, easy. Easy. But see, because now I said I'm gonna vote, you're gonna know exactly like which order I'm like putting these in. Alright, done. Boom. Alright, results. Which one's up there? Nice. Okay. Very similar ordering. Okay. Despite me not saying much today, like, I remember the last time I didn't say much during a boss fight, I was, like, really annoyed. This fight's not annoying me, it's just, like, it's just hard. Democratic duty fulfilled, yeah. There's been a lot of politics going on in the world recently, hasn't there? No politics on the stream! But, like, I woke up today, I'm like, wow, there's a lot going on in France. And then, like, I've been watching Matt Parker a bunch recently as well. And he's been getting into, like, the UK politics, like, stat data. Stat data, what does that mean? But yeah, it's kind of been interesting to see all that. So, but it's crazy to think that he was actually like there as like a accounting person. But then when he was saying like, oh, like, you know, you're not really there to like you're there to make sure they're doing the counting properly, but you're also there to do like statistical sampling so you can get the counting done earlier and do a prediction. I was like, but like, what's the point in knowing 2 hours earlier? I don't like sure, it's probably a fun sport to do, but I'm just trying to think like what those like 2 hours do for you. Maybe it just notifies the politicians ahead of time where it's like, oh, you're probably gonna win, so you have 2 hours to like write a speech. So you only hear about world politics through Atrioc, don't you? I actually been hearing about the French stuff through Pack Science, actually, funnily enough, because he's been typing a bunch about it, and then he was linking some stuff. But yeah, also Atrioc was talking about it. Atrioc talked about it, and I was like, eh. And then Pack started talking about it, and I was like, oh, okay. But yeah, that's true. Like, sometimes I hear stuff through Atrioc. He was also going on about... Was he going on about England stuff? I've only heard about the England voting because of Matt Parker, though. But yeah, like any other time, it's just Atrioc. I just realized that, like, I tend to just watch, like, him for, like, all my, like, world news now. I didn't realize, like, how quickly he shifted into just becoming like, oh, here's something that's happening in the world. And I'm like, oh, okay. How's that not staggered? Oh dear. Uh-oh. Oh, we're out! Well, that's embarrassing. No, not again! No, I can't survive too! Shit! Gonna need to look for a place to live in the next 6 weeks. Ah, shit. Damn. I have to move in back with my mum for a bit. At least you got, like, a backup contingency plan, so... It's just like, looking for places is like, at least here in Australia, it's just like a whole process. I have a friend at the moment that was saying like, oh shit, like, I just like slept in and I don't know like why I'm so tired. I'm like, did you do anything? And he's like, yeah, I'm in like the process of like moving. And I'm like, oh, that would do it, wouldn't it? And he's like, oh yeah, I guess so. On the other hand, it's at that time of the year where all the rent goes up here in Australia. I like rent's like going up all the time, you know, but I feel like a lot of people will sign up at the same time to like a rental place, and then there's like you can do like a 6-month lease or a 12-month lease, and so people will start looking for the next place to move to if the rent goes up too high. It's just really whack because I remember I was trying to look for another place at one point, just because I was curious, and every single like rental property I was like looking at, I was like just I heard from like other people, it's like, oh, why are you like moving? It's like, oh, because my rent went up by like 80 or something like that. So I'm just trying to get a cheaper place. So. Also, hey, Ripian, how's it going? Oh dear. Fuck, what? Oh, I messed up chat perfectly. Well, that gives me some confidence. Nice, nice. By the way, I know I'm doing like shallow talking today because like I'm reading things in chat and then I'm just like replying a little bit and I realized I'm like, oh, should I have more to say? But I'm like trying to focus on the game, so like my conversating abilities today are they're a bit not there. But how long does it take to find a place normally? Hoping to just find a shared apartment or students or something, should be able to get that sort of fairly quickly. Oh, okay, yeah, because I was gonna say like I remember when I was looking like it was like a year ago or something, a year or two ago. I spent an entire month and I found like nothing, essentially. So like when I read 6 weeks here in Australia, I'm just like, oh fuck. It's like it's not too much time. So how's your day today? Has been quite nice. I've just been vibing. Did some like programming and stuff as well. So. Because I've been currently trying to work on like this video editing project, so I feel like I'm actually kind of going there now, which is neat. Might as well get the free hits in. Oh, it's not free if you die. Oh, I'm looking up and it's hitting me from below. Oh, I should have known that. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then it's 1, 2, 3, and then she dives. But for some reason I thought it was 1, 2, 3, and then I thought a fourth one was gonna happen and dive. So I just like completely got it wrong. Well, hey, I mean, 7th time getting there today, so... I need to somehow work out how to, like, more consistently do this, first part. You live and you learn. Yeah, that's it. I'm just trying to, like, actually work out, like, why I'm dying when it happens, because I'm not getting there that much, so I'm trying to, like, squeeze out as much learning as I can. What's this again? Okay, we're barely surviving that, but, you know, I'll take it. Oh, fuck. Oh, I just need to tank that. No! Oh, it's... Oh, shit! Whatever.
Blade of Nicola.
At least you learned, yeah. I'm trying. Da, 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 da. Okay, going for the jump. Greedy, are we? Can you stop attacking? Whoa. Oh. Don't love that for me. So, what I'm kind of working at now is I think that first one is the worst for me. And if I can dodge the first one, then I'm probably going to dodge the second one. But if I'm standing under her when she jumps, I have no idea how to just run away quick enough. I don't think I have like the range for it. So part of me wants to like spin around in circles and try and confuse her, but I don't think I'm fast enough for that either, so... I'm gonna do that. Whoops. Oh, fuck. Oh, dear. That's so... that actually feels unfair. Because I feel like I'm just kind of preying on RPG. What? I'm praying for RPG. Just nuke her. No, I'm praying on just RNG that she does that attack when I'm like nowhere near her. I could probably force it by just making sure like I'm not up in her face, but and just like always keeping distance, so like attack then run away, attack, run away. Feels like kind of a silly way to play though. But maybe that's what I need to start doing instead. Oh, fuck. Jeez. That's the way that's worked in other fights, hasn't it? Yeah, I guess so. I think like if I'm thinking about like other boss fights, sometimes like when I get like more comfortable with their movesets, I'm like more aggressive at the beginning. But that's because I'm trying to like speed it up to get to like a phase 2. But I guess I started trying to do that now with this boss, and I kind of can't. Haha, what are you, some kind of millennial? Oh shit! Wait! Okay, that drink's on you, Crazy How. Yeah, I'll drink to that. Am I a millennial or am I a Gen Z? No, I'm next year a baby boomer. And I'm like, no, just because I'm 50 doesn't mean that I'm old. How you been though, Crazy How? I've been trying to lock in to doing this fight. Oh dear. Okay. Alright. Busy working, trying not to die from second-degree heat. What's it getting up to there? Because that's the thing, like, I always hear it's hot, but I, like, am lacking critical information here, being in Southern Hemisphere. Because, I've been working on just trying to, like, make one video. I was, like, doing programming today. I learned how to do raycasting, though, today in SPT, which is kind of neat. It is overkill though, what I'm trying to do with raycasting there. I might just abandon it, but it feels like so close to like what I need. Let's say it was 40 degrees and superhuman. What the fuck? Yeah, that's getting pretty close to like Australia temperatures. Like even like. If not, that is basically just what summer feels like here. So. Da 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 da. I don't get too many more attempts now, do I? Let me try and slow it down a lot. Yeah, thought so. Oh, fuck. I knew I, like, messed up there immediately. No. I was trying to roll. Like, turned around and then the roll didn't happen. So... yeah. Celsius, by the way? Yeah. No, I figured. Yeah. Did you know she's Melania Blade of Mikola? Nah, that's actually, like, the first time I, like, versed her. So that was actually like a crazy lore dump that I got then. I was like, oh, Mikola, I've heard this name and I don't know why. Wait. I should probably read up on some of the lore at some point for this. Her spamming that is actually kind of annoying. I've come to decided. Yeah, just reset it. Not happy with how much health I lost there. The second phase feels doable if I work out two things. So it's basically, I feel like I'm finally getting the hang of dodging it in phase 1. I know she can do it in phase 2, and then I just gotta watch out for that sort of like butterfly attack. Melania is the one responsible for turning all of Khalid into Rot Swamp. Oh, okay, sure. I remember them referencing like Nicola in one area, but I was like, I didn't know if that was Melania or not. Oh no. Crazy, how did you know that she's Melania, Blade of Mikola? Also, wait a second. I was like going through videos the other day, and I got a notification from you being like sick, and I was like, oh, when did I say that? It was in a 6-year-old video that you replied to. Why were you even on this video? Because like I'm looking at, I'm like, oh, maybe this was referenced somewhere in like the Portal 2 Discord, and you just happen to see it. Yeah, but it colored me shock realizing I didn't say damn. Oh shit. We take those? Oh fuck. Okay, at least it's a short range one. Gives me time. Oh my god, what am I doing? Not again. Why am I healing when she's doing that? Oh, oh no. I had a convo with someone and something from that video was brought up, and how could I resist replying to the... Oh, yeah. Well, I can't wait until I finish my video, and perhaps you'll see it, but I know which comment I'll be seeking out during it. Damn, parentheses. This is bad, by the way. And then I'm like, damn. And I'm like, I know. Damn. How did that not? Oh, no. Oh shit. Oh. Whatever. I'm having trouble finding yearly maintenance costs for Illumina and hack biosequences. What, did they like hide all of the did they hide what they charge on like their front page or something? Oh, lovely.
I am Melania.
I wanna do like a spot dodge. I wanna do the rolling animation without moving, if that makes any sense. Because when I'm underneath her, I feel like that's like the perfect spot to be. So, yeah. I hate when I slip my tongue. Every time I want to say, haha, loser, your turn, I say, I'm Millennium Blade of Nicola. See, the thing is like, there's a bunch I would normally say today during the stream, but like, I'm not saying any of it. I'm trying, because I find it's hard. I'm like, actually trying to like concentrate on it. Every time I whiff with the axe, just imagine I'm saying fuck in my head. I'm not saying fuck in my head, I'm saying like fuck, and that's being said silently to me, okay? I don't say fuck in my head, okay? Alright, I want you to know that. What is spamming? Ow. Okay, this phase is going poorly. You know what? Just stand it.
I am Melania.
Oh, you're back!
Blade of Nicola.
I mean, she's saying a name, she's automatically gaining a plot armor. Yeah, but actually, maybe I should be saying my name over and over again. Yeah. You should say, like, I'm an ex blade of my balls. No. I'm an ex, and I'm gonna ask you a question. I'm an ex, and I'm gonna ask you whether I'm deranged. I'm an ex, and I'm going to slice through your conversation lines. Hello, Melania, and I'm ready to duel axe you. I'm an ex, I'm Blade of Australia. I'm an ex, I'm Blade of Australia. I'm an ex, I'm Blade of Sydney. I'm an ex, I'm Blade of the Manor. I'm an ex, I'm Blade of the Southern Hemisphere. I'm an ex, I'm Blade of the... I'm an ex, I don't have any simpy whippy, no. Oh, I'm getting so scared for no reason. Idiot. I'm an ex. I'm Blade of Zenemy. There we go. Crazy how I didn't realize she was so right. That actually works. Alright, well, we got it here for the 8th time, so... Oh, gaming! I'm an ex. Next, why are you stuttering? Listen, I'm only trying to focus on gameplay today. I'm an ex of these nuts. Did I like unplug my sound entirely? Alright. You're back? I'm an ex and I'm... What the fuck is that? Oh, fuck you. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? I didn't. Why did she open with that? What the fuck? I'm unexplainable. Yeah. We're seeing millennia PTSD is setting in. I was saying this earlier, where it's like I was silent the other day, but that's because I was mad. I'm only silent today because it's a combination of I don't really want to talk about anything, and like I just find this fun and I want to concentrate. So did too well in the first round. Yeah, she had like vengeance seeking from me. I hate taking advantages.
Blade of Mikola.
Blade of me. Never mind. Da da da. Wait, so how many times have I got to phase 2 today? Was that the 8th time? It's not the best average, but it is better than yesterday. Oh dear. Yeah, can you hear me?
I am Melania. Blade of Mikola.
I don't want to lose that much health, like, straight away. Like, there's no reason to, so... It's crazy to... Well, this game would be really, really easy with quick saves, wouldn't it? The, segmenting mindsets, like, coming in. Because, like, at that moment where, like, I fucked up, it would just be like, reload! Alright. Oh shit. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. She's healed too much for me. Ah, I missed. Hey Swaps, what's up? Really?
I am Melania.
That's my bad. I fucked that up. Yeah. Oh, how's today been? Well, I've gone into phase 2 8 times, I believe, unless I've like miscounted. Someone who identifies themselves as a blade, she's still looking very sharp. Apparently it's Melania, it is Madness Melania Mummy Month. This is all I'm going to be doing for all of July, so this is nothing else. So oh,
I am
that's fine.
Blade of
What is she the blade of again? Me. Nicola. If you say it slow, it sounds weird. Oh, that one. Committed to the medium role still. Oh yes, the Madness Medium Mummy Millennia Month. There we go. More M's. Love it. Oh my. Fuck. Okay, I didn't quite have the stamina there either, so that was silly. Sure. Blade of my Quella, the stylish fixed gear single speed bike brand based on the outskirts of Cambridge. Our bikes are hand built in the highest quality suitable for commuters, students, leisure, and seasoned bikers all over the world. If you use our coupon code BIKERNEXT, you can get 20% off your next sale or units. Order today. Biking is very good, especially in cities that support bike lanes. It's a good way to cut down on carbon emissions and a fun way to get around and exercise. So once again, that's my Quella. Oh, what am I doing? Why did I think that was gonna land? Shit. I got tricked! Rude. Uh-oh. Not actually pleased about this run, because I've used up too much Estus for this. Like I'm on 6. So. Oh. That's crazy you open with that. Calm down. Ah, I knew that. It just it came a lot earlier than I thought. Okay. Because I was counting it and I was looking down, so I was ready for the dodge, but I thought there was a bigger break. So I'm for Mikola as plural, or Mikole. Da, da, da. Hi, I'm Melania, Blade of Mikola. Did you know you have the right to die? Mikola says you do, and so do I. If you need our services for anyone, make sure to call. We'll be there chop chop. I have no stamina. What am I doing? But yeah, swaps. I'm getting better at phase 1 now, which is good. The main thing that kills me is that still. But I'm getting a better idea on how to dodge it. The medium rolling is definitely making it harder, I've noticed. But then in phase 2, where I died in phase 2 is the thing I keep dying to. I've dodged it a few times, but I just haven't had like enough run-throughs yet, so... Sorry, I'm trying to get more consistent at least, but better progress than yesterday, I would say. Oops. Oh no. That really just feels like I need to be in the right place. Alright, it's 11. I realize I've run out of attempts, basically. Is it time to quit the movie night? I feel like I can do this. It's gonna take a bit more time, so. Oh. Oh, fuck. I'm one? Is there any signal to the attack starting aside from the 2-second telegraph? The 2-second telegraph is all I see. The second she jumps in the air, I know she's doing it. But if she jumps in the air and I'm next to her, I think what most people do is they have like a light roll, which gives you more range and speed to it. It's a little bit easier to dodge. With the medium roll, I'm not entirely certain how to do it from that range, so... But I don't know, maybe there's something I'm missing. Oh. Whoops. Get the fuck away from her. I got scared. Yeah, because, oh, there it is. Okay, whatever. Well, I've seen somebody, something, but since nobody mentioned it in chat, I don't play the game just yet. I won't say anything. Like, I assume she does it more often when it's closer to half health, but outside of that, I don't really see. It's like the second she jumps in the air, that's like when I know. Hi, I'm Melania, Blade and Mikola. Do you struggle with getting a good night's sleep? You are not alone. I don't know if there's a solution that can change your life. Do you want to sleep with the fishes? I can make your wildest dreams come true. We are slashing prices. Introducing Sleepwell, a new sleep aid supplement that was specifically designed to promote deeper, more restful sleep. But don't take my word for it. See for yourself the difference that Sleepwell can make with our customers before and after testimonies. Since using Sleepwell, I've been able to fall asleep faster and wake up. There's just something about my sleep paralysis demon not bothering me anymore because it's been replaced with Mikola. Anyway, I would really recommend doing it. I've recommended it to all of my extended family that I don't see that much anymore. And they swear by it. Oh, there you are. Oh, lovely. We take those. Oops. Yeah, it's a little bit too aggro. She's one. Oh, fuck off. Oh, I should've just ran at her and hit her. That's so dumb. Like she like I should've just committed to running and hitting her and then it would've just been over. Yeah. So committing to the jump attacks is ballsy when you know Waterfowl could be coming any second. Yeah. I'm Melania, Blade and Mikola. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, never punished, except I kind of was. Yeah, whatever.
Blade of Mikola.
What is this like Vim or like replacement thing? Replace blades with blades. Or is it the other way around? I always forget. The long blade Mikola are blades designed for optimal propulsion and performance in the air while waterfowling. Molded rubber pummels for ultimate comfort. These blades slash in a variety of different directions. Yeah. Hey, feeling hot during the summer? Well, with Mikola's blade, you can slice through the air and cool it down in a matter of moments. Listen to the customer testimonies. Listen to me. I feel the ice cold rushing through my blood when I see her in my sleep. That sword, that menacing stare. It can stop a man dead in their tracks. Attach Mikola's blade to your Dyson air fan today. No, but like, what's wrong with bladeless fans, huh? This is Melania, what you doing? My favorite thing is, this is like a trend I've noticed. If I'm absolutely doing nothing, at some point someone will instigate something, which is fun. I do like that. I didn't see it going into like infomercial territory. Okay, I gotta stop, right? Is it time for movies? The people that are here to watch movies. Well, when is movie night? Is it now? It is now! Yo, Mikola, would you watch movies with us? No, but like, would you? How are you not staggered yet? Okay, I understand how you're not staggered. Depends on when you want to go to bed. Which one won, by the way? 2001 Space Odyssey? Is that a long movie? How long is 2001? I'm chilling. It's your sleep time you're wasting. Oh dear. It's time for movies 1 hour ago. It's time for movies 10 minutes ago. It's 2 hours 20 without credit. What the fuck? That's so long. Yep. Good one. What are you doing?
I am Melania, blade of Nicola.
You can hike? Fuck yeah. Yeah, you should do that. I'm Melania, blade of Mikola, and you have fallen to my sword many times. I just saw someone join the voice call. Didn't? But the thing is I can't see the voice channel. I just see that there's the voice icon now. So, all right, this should be the last one, surely, surely. Oh, that hit me. Hello, what a fuck out.
Blade of
Don't take it anywhere. Nah, I didn't. You know, I think we're actually going to skip this week. This was the one movie that we're not interested in at all. Wait, actually. I've heard it's good. I voted for Blade Runner though. That was the one I wanted. The thing is whatever voting system got recommended, whatever voting system we're using now, I realize you can actually just gerrymander it to a certain extent. Because you can look at the results first, and then you can vote accordingly to the result thing, which is really weird. I don't know what voting system you're meant to be using. But like sometimes like voting for like if there's a movie you want to watch first, and then you have a second movie, but you vote for second, which actually outpaces the first movie, it's better for you to not vote for your second movie to then guarantee your first movie. It's fucking weird. Like I don't know why it's like this. I don't know what voting system you're meant to use instead though for that. Because it's like a raw like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm next metagaming votes. Well, it's just the math brain. I just like see it and it's like, yep, that's how it is. And like there have been times where I'm the last vote and I look at how my vote's going to influence it, and then I'm like, well, I could just vote for this and get this other movie. So it's like, why the fuck am I deciding now? Bad system. Anyway, I'll make sure to complain about it, and then do nothing. I won't suggest an alternative. I can hide the results if that's any better. That might be better. I didn't look this week though. Would probably help Ivan to be honest, yeah. Because then there's no temptation there to metagame it. Because like every time I think about this voting system, I'm like, who's metagaming this? Da 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 da. I'm next about to storm the capital because of voting was rigged. Yeah. Gudigo's only saying no politics because he doesn't want me to run up to his house and be like, how dare you do this voting system? No! Sorry, time me out. No, you're fine. Da, 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 da. Alright, I have to stop, don't I? Okay, sorry. I've been pretending for too long. Whoops. Okay. Alright. Jump up. I know it's bad when we got. Oh, you fell. Hi, you're okay. I thought you were fine there, and then you moved. Sorry. We got this fella. Look at him. It's Leah. Hi. Hey, what's up? Red dog time. Oh, he looks so. What are those eyes? Hey. Hi. What are you trying to ask, huh? Alright, we're done, aren't we? Nope. Nope. Yeah. No BRB for me. I'm just gonna take him outside and then it's movie night. Well, thanks for watching. I'll try it again tomorrow. So, not the little fella I was expecting. Nah, Bear's, I don't know what Bear's been doing. Bear's been, because it's been getting colder, he either like sleeps under the heater, but I think he's currently sleeping in my bed. So, and once he's like dormant, he doesn't get disrupted until like I move something. So yeah, maybe you'll beat her tomorrow. Probably not though. I'm like so close though. Like think about it. Did I get to the end phase 8 or 9 times? So I like tripled my output. So tomorrow I'm gonna get there 27 times, clearly, which is on average, what is that? About 4 hours. Damn it, I can't do simple math right now. I'm gonna beat 6 times per hour. So that's like every attempt. Yeah, every attempt. Fuck, this doesn't work, does it? Fuck, shit. Anyway, catch ya. See ya. Does it really take like 10 minutes to do an attempt? It's more like 5 or 10, right? Anyway, take care. See you later.